fuck.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Beat it. Kill them. Why you trying to put the boat for yourself? Sit down in that shut up your mouth. They can't do nobody know. Bad thing why shut up your mouth and sit down in that. We deserve that to the fit dead. That's the fit dead in that. Kill them. What is going on there? Kill them and kill them. That one they have too much shot in their stuff.
You know you're winning guy in there. That's olive oil, yeah? That's olive oil, that's olive oil.
I don't care about this one. Yeah, man, I don't care what anyway.